So what we're doing is we're replacing hydraulic hose. Yesterday we had a hydraulic hose break back here in the compartment, and when I shoved my new hydraulic hose through, I put it inside this plastic bag, keep the dirt out of it. And that's what I'm doing today. So you guys can sit back here in the tripod and watch. It's kind of a cramped workspace here, so it's not very easy to show how I'm doing this. Basically gotta put the wrench in and turn it over. Such a small working space that you don't even get very much rotation on the wrench. You just gotta keep trying to see if it's loose enough to turn by hand. Move the hose around a little bit. And what you want to do before you get that end tight all the way, you want to put this end on there on the other side, because if you get one locked down, you won't be able to get the other one on. I'll try to set the tripod up on the loose dirt here, unlevel dirt. Now we can take off our plastic bag, get the wrench, and all this plastic bag is doing is keeping the dirt and debris from going inside the hose, because it will do that. And this little machine is a cramped working environment to get anything done. Right on. Practically got to stand on your head to get in there. Another situation where you just, it's about as much as you get, so you can start threading it by finger a little. And if they would have took a little time when they built this machine, but I can't do it because it's all put together. Otherwise I would. They would have ground down this sharp edge that's in there. hose wouldn't have had to rub against a sharp edge and then wear out. And that's what happened. So what I'll end up doing is taking like a piece of heater hose or 1-inch